My nigga Rip in the motherfucking house. What's up, nigga? I can't see you, but what's crackin'? Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rip Goon in the motherfucking house. We're doing the straight up pump on the Grom today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off your rear set. I got the ZZ rear sets on this bad boy. So we're just going to throw that off to the side. And then you got 10 8mm bolts that hold this case on. You want to get those cracked loose. If you can't get it to come off, kind of bang around on it with a rubber mallet. Pull it off real easy so you don't rip the gasket off. Carefully take it off. I already took all the bolts out, so set her off to the side. Here goes the old pump. They're 10mm bolts. I just got in there with the wrench, cracked them loose. There it goes. Comes out real easy. Alright. Here is the straight up pump. What you want to do is you want to put a little oil on her first. Kind of get her priming here. Get her spinning. Well, there's a little hole in here this little tube goes into. You can't really see it, but this goes in just like that. Bam. That's it. Get them bolts torqued down to spec and put you in the game.